What up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Momo from Doc Babu Yakubs. And as you can tell, I look terrible. It's because I'm in this 14 days mandatory quarantine required by the Japanese government, right? So I'm visiting Japan right now. Have to do 14 days of mandatory quarantine. So this is like what, 6th to 7th days. So it's almost halfway done. I haven't stepped outside. I'm stuck inside for a long time, and I don't really have anything to do as much. So but before my quarantine ends in like 7 days, I want to cut my hair. So definitely. So today I'm just gonna go over another haircut tutorial. But today I think this is my first time showing you how to cut hair on the top of head, right? So my hair on the top is really long, as you can see. When I comb it out, it just looks like, I don't know, it just looks like a freaking like a bush. So, and especially at the back, like the front is okay, the length of front is okay, but I think the back is kind of, it's too much. So I want to reduce it, I want to cut it down. Actually, let me show you what you need in this tutorial. In this tutorial, you just need scissors, right? In this tutorial, you just need comb like this. God Lord. Shear scissors, I'll use it later. And just a normal scissors. If you haven't those professional scissors, you can just use kitchen scissors. So these are what you need. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button right now. I'll give you 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So shall we start? Boos! And alright, first thing you gotta wet your hair. So I'm gonna go downstairs real quick and wet my hair. Stay tuned. Okay, now that your hair is wet, the first thing you want to do is you want to comb out to the front. Comb it down to the front, lay it flat to the front, and then you scoop it up with your comb like this, just the front part, and hold it like this, and then you just start cutting. You just cut that hair that's sticking out from your finger, just like this. Alright, this is what you look like, what it should look like. Try to make it as even as possible, and then you comb it to the little bit further back, scoosh to the back, repeat the same thing, but to the little bit to the back once again. Don't try to not to cut your finger while you're doing this. Yep. And then scooch it a little bit back once again. Try not to cut your finger. And then all the way to the back. Yeah, and then bring it to the front once again, and repeat this step several times, because I don't think anyone can get it at the first time to make it evenly flat, evenly the same length. So I'm just gonna go over once again just so that hair is even. Wait. Okay, so once you're done with the middle, now you're moving to the side. So I'm gonna scoop it up from the side of my hair, just like this. Do it like this. Cut it like this. And look how I'm tilting my comb on the side so that I'll have kind of like a mohawk look at the end, rather than just like the hair all around my head is the equal length. Rather, I will have like the middle part is longer, and on the side it looks much shorter. And I'm just repeating the same step. So right here it's sticking out, as you can see. You want to even it out a little bit. It's super hot right here. I'm sweating balls. Okay, and on the other side, look, you don't want to cut your finger like this, yeah? I'm bleeding. But anyway, that's beside the point. I'm bleeding. But take it out like this. Don't worry. I guess the side where the opposite from your dominant hand is harder, because you have to tilt your hand a little bit. I just noticed something, that this part on the front is a little bit long, so I'm gonna cut it a little bit more. So, just a little bit. The more you cut, the more even your hair will become. So keep lifting up and trying to find the length of your hair where it's not even across the hair. You can see this part is a little bit long, so I'm gonna tack this point right here like this and cut it just a little bit here. I can still see that there's some little hair right here that's a little bit too long, so I'm gonna cut it out a little bit. Thank you guys for watching. This is The Cut. What do you guys think? If you like my self-cut tutorial videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and check out my other self-cut tutorial videos on my channel. And I hope to see you very soon. Boom!